Chuck, but yeah, me specifically. Yeah, shall we have a quick run through? Let's do it, yeah? Okay, if you all know the words, sing along. When you're looking at me, tell me what do you see? Everything in my life is so cool and complete. Just another stranger that is passing you by. You probably think that you figured me out at first sight. They don't know where I came from. They don't know how I stayed strong. What you know about me and all the shit I went through just to get myself there. What you know about me and all the messes made. I'm trying to fight back the tears. What you know about me is what you see. It's just an image you can see. What you don't know about me. Hey, what you know about? What you know about? What you know about me, babe? What you know about me? What you know about me, babe? What you know about me? What you know about? Everybody's got a story, we just don't know about it. Oh, and everyone thinks that love revolves around. And oh, we're all strangers passing each other by, going through things that we feel inside. They don't know where I came from. They don't know. And I'll stay strong. What you know about me? And all the shit I went through just to get myself there. What you know about me? All the necessity, I'm trying to fight back the tears. What you know about me? 'Cause what you see is just an image you perceive. What you don't know about me, hey. What you know about? What you know about? What you know about me? Trying to tell me who to be, what you to be. Anybody trying to break us down? We just get started to make you keep the party. You say, what you know about me? And all the shit I went through just to get myself there. What you know about me? I know that that's a state. I'm trying to fight back the tears. What you know about me? 'Cause what you see is just an image you see. What you don't know about me? Hey, what you know about? What you know about? What you know about me? 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 Thank you. Right, yeah, so we're gonna go get changed. Cool. And yeah, we'll see you out here in a bit. Yeah. See you in a bit. Which way do we come off? This way. This way. See you in a bit.
One more time, this is free! Yes, how good is what you know about me like? Good, right? Amazing, sounded nice, thank you boys. So, they're going to wander off and slip into something a little bit more comfortable before they do. And they'll be back again. They're doing 2 special sets tonight. So you get to hear a load of the music they've been working really, really hard on over the last few months.
Well, that's
writing
our
and
sound
rehearsing, especially for this tour. Good. So, in a few minutes' time, we're going to have a certain man called Mr. Sam Callaghan. Lovely guy, what a total edge. Only his second show of the tour, so give him a massive welcome when he comes out. Then the boys, the awesome foursome that are Room 94. And when she arrives, please give her a massive welcome, Tara Berwin.